Okay, go ahead. I'm the agent.
Okay.
Ring me.
Ring. Hello?
No, I'm the agent. That's why I'm not answering.
Ring.
Hello?
Hey, this is Daniel.
Yeah, who's this?
Hey Daniel, my name is Kevin. I was calling about your listing on 123 Main Street. I was wondering if you're the listing agent on that.
Which one?
The 123 Main Street that you have on the market?
Yeah. Are you looking to make an offer on that?
Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, the reason why I'm calling is, I'm a local real estate investor, and I just wanted to see if the house is even for sale because it's been on the market for quite some time.
Okay, are you looking, is this something that you're gonna like move into yourself?
No, this is not something I'm not gonna move into. I'm a local real estate investor.
Okay.
I just wanted to see, like, hey, do you mind just catching it, just be like, looks like the homeowner, like, literally just bought this house, and is there anything, like, wrong with the house, we're trying to sell it, or what's the story on this?
Okay, boom, and then they're gonna insert the story, and then you're gonna go from there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody got that? Anybody have any questions on that? Anybody scared that they can't manage that? Did that seem exceptionally more complicated than anybody originally imagined? No? Everybody's good? Okay. What I would suggest to everybody here, right, because you guys are all a part of the team, and if you want my 2 cents on the topic is, one, get really, really uncomfortable. Like, in fact, I would suggest that raise your hand if you think you are the most nervous person on your team to make a phone call to an agent. Case.
I'm nervous right now.
Marlon's scared. That's why he's a winner, because he survives.
We take action anyway.
Boom. So my suggestion is, if you think you're the most nervous person on your team, be the first person to call.
I'll let you take it from here, but let's make sure we put everybody's team name on the second whiteboard.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do is we're grading you guys on follow-up calls, right? Follow-up appointments. So even if a seller or an agent says, no, I don't think my seller would be interested. Even if they say no, here's what my response is gonna be. Okay, well, what if we set up a call in like 4 or 5 days and I just check in on you? What time is a good time for me to call you? Set an appointment, set a follow-up. Get in the habit of always setting up a follow-up.
Daryl, you got a team? Do you have a team name?
Come back to it.
Come back to you. All right. All of the team leaders, raise your hand if you already have a team name. Subtasking?
Yeah.
Got you. You have a team name?
You have a team name?
Do you?
Yeah, we're the team Big Ass Winners.
Big ass what?
Big Ass Winners.
Big ass winners. Emphasis on the ass. All right. What's the team name?
Panther Home Solutions.
Panther Home Solutions?
He's fine.
We do not have team buy-in. There's mutiny.
Panther calls.
Panther calls? I feel like that's a OnlyFans channel. Cougar calls, Panther calls, same thing. All right, think about it. Come up with a good one. I'm gonna come back.
We're flying about potentially doing a seller carryback.
Is it Team Caterpillar?
Same Caterpillar, bro. Let's go.
What's the team name?
Catch me outside.
I'm gonna write cash. Cash me outside. I got you.
Ready, bro.
Ready? All right. Let me write these down. I got you. All right. What you got, Daryl?
Team Skrilla. SKI. Yeah, there you go. Your boy Kodak has a song called Skrilla.
You gonna make me erase the name, man? What we got? What's the verdict? Okay, all right, do your thing. Who's the team leader over here? Is it you?
Yeah, it's bro.
Angie.
Angie, I got you. All right, who do we got in the corner? Who's the team leader over here?
Yeah, we're the wealth builders.
Wealth builders. Very professional. I like it. One, two, three, four, six. It's all the teams, right?
Team cashing in.
Cashing in. I like it. That's good. That's good. Oh, we got, uh-oh. Looks like we got an agent on the line. What was the final verdict of that? What did he ask you to do?
Well, I'll just call him on Monday. He just weren't interested in it.
He wasn't interested right now, but he wants to do a follow-up?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a follow-up on Monday.
Boom, go mark it under the follow-up. You guys got to go and put it next to your name under follow-up. And then just put a check mark as close to y'all's name as we can. We're going to have to get some rulers or something to draw the lines. It's one call in the books, guys. We got one follow-up for what's Cho's name. That's under deals. You put it under deals.
Oh, my bad.
Here, man. Just do it over here. I'll try to draw a line. Try to get it as close as you can. There you go. Good stuff, bro. If you're on a team that has not made a phone call yet, you have not dialed a phone number, raise your hand. Speed it up, guys. Got another call in the corner. Boom, you gotta go mark it. Mark it next to your team name, under the follow-up side. All right, guys, we got a follow-up in the books. We got 2 follow-ups.
Got a follow-up schedule, then we about to send an LOI. That's awesome. That's tough. Does she have to write something on the board?
Go write it on the board. Thank you. Congratulations. Is that a follow-up?
Yeah, we got follow-up.
Okay. So who won? You gotta go mark it. You gotta go mark it. Put a check mark right there. You did a great job, man.
Shake it.
That's how you know it was worth it. Your hand shaking, right? Looks like we might have a contract.
And he said, just explain to me and I'll show it to my clients. So, hey-o.
Dude, we just got a fucking contract. We just got approved for a fucking contract to get sent. And we already have a vendor lined up. What?
That's insane, dude.
Put your contract over here until it gets signed, and then we'll send it over
Guys,
here.
we have 10 minutes.
And right there, boom.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Good stuff, man. Congrats.
Thank you. Was that your first call? Yeah.
Oh my God!
Got a buzzer beater.
Zero to the seller, 2%.
You gotta go mark this. You gotta go mark it on the list.
We can lock it up on the contract today.
Let's do it. That's Edgar. Edgar with the buzzer beater, and it's a deal.
It was 0 to the seller and $4,000 fees. Right. Tell them what the deal was. Tell how much the seller and how much.
Tell them what the deal was. What was the deal?
It's a Subto, 0 money to the seller, 2% to the agent, and that's it. Deal done.
Boom.
Follow up in 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You gonna have a signed contract before we leave?
Yeah.
Señor, ganando.
All right, let's roll. Yo, Kihana, what did you see, bro? What did you like about it?
You know what I saw?
What?
Here's what I see. You know what? I'm going to tell you exactly what I saw. I'm looking around at everybody, right? People who wonder how they can get started in the business. They wonder and they get in their heads and they get apprehensive and I'm scared. What if I say the wrong thing? And what I just saw was your magic pill. A bunch of people being forced into a circumstance where they had no choice but to take action. And as a result, we had a person who, on their very first call, is currently sending out a contract to get signed for a deal.
Great job, brother. The other thing here's a couple of things I saw. I saw a lot of amazing leaders that have been with us for a long time pouring their love into their team. So let's give it up for the leaders in the group.
Let's go.
Okay. The other thing I saw is I saw some people make their first phone call ever. Yeah. Was there any? Peter, stand up, bro. And I walked around and I was like, who's the most nervous? And everybody's like, Peter. He's like, oh, and you did a great job, bro. Great job, Marlon. Great job being a good leader. That's honestly the only way to be successful in this business is doing it with your friends. I can tell you, I tried to do this on my own. I've never made $1 on my own in this business. Never one time.